Sound waves are longitudinal waves. A wave in which the particles of the medium vibrate back and forth in the same direction in which the wave is moving is called a longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave can be produced in all the three mediums: solids, liquids, and gases. Sound waves are longitudinal because the direction of vibration of the particles is parallel to the direction of wave. When a sound wave passes through air, the particles of air vibrate back and forth parallel to the direction of sound wave. Thus, when a sound wave travels in the horizontal direction, then the particles of the medium also vibrate back and forth in the horizontal direction, but parallel to the direction of sound. For example, the waves produced in air when a violin wire is plugged are longitudinal waves. There is also another type of wave called a transverse wave. A transverse wave is the one in which the individual particles of the medium move about their mean positions in a direction perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation.